Today I'm going to show you the best way to eat pho soup. Usually when you order pho, it's a delicious Vietnamese soup recipe that comes with a lot of toppings. To get started with your pho, get a bowl of rice noodles, garnish it with some green onions, and then you'll want to put some of your favorite meat on top. You can have some sliced chicken, some thin sliced rare beef. This would normally go on top. Then you ladle some of your broth onto your noodles. And now it's time to garnish your pho. Today I have some jalapeno slices, some sliced carrots, some fresh basil leaves, some mung bean sprouts, some cilantro, and some onions. Then I'm going to give an additional garnish of some hoisin sauce. That's about a tablespoon. And then a little bit of garlic chili sauce. This is going to be a giant soup, and with most Asian soups, you don't want to eat it with a spoon. So the best thing to do is just put it up to your mouth and shovel it in with your chopsticks. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to eat pho soup. Enjoy.